want to make this video for show to some friends in which I was traveling in South America, that I have seen that there is a lot of stealing people your baggages and backpacks and things like that. So I have made a little device which I will explain later how to build it, which is basically like a little alarm, but it has some modifications like a motion sensor and an extra battery to put the sound more time, like 5 seconds, like this. So basically it works in a very simple way. You just when you leave your baggages like this and you are talking with somebody and you don't pay attention because you are always distracted with anything, you just don't worry about that. You just remove the key, and this is the key which activates the alarm and can deactivate it. So you are talking with somebody, and if somebody comes and try to steal your baggages, happens like this. As you can see, it makes a big noise on which you are not notified. And when you put back the key, it doesn't work anymore. So it doesn't use any battery, and you can just go with it and without worry about the battery and anything. And when you need it, you just use it. So I hope that this can help some friends to protect their backpacks and baggages and things like that. Thank you.